So that's it there. We got these two setting, shim work. Man, those are pretty. Pretty. Sitting here enjoying some lunch. Tell right, Billy.
Yeah.
So all the grouting's done, you guys. Got our light sitting up here. We're waiting on these seal plates, and then we'll be bringing the rest of that rock down in those areas there behind the box, and one more area right over there. But all in all, we got a bunch of trim work in here and stuff to do as usual, but man. There it is, fellas. Put our little connectors in. Scribe. Countertops coming tomorrow. So there it is, you guys. We're all in. Check that out. We'll be putting a couple little bridges right in here. Same color, everything. Shrink those guys right in. We wanted the cabinets to actually touch over here at the wall. We're really close. There's a slight little gap here. I don't know if you can see it. Just a slight. So we're going to put a matching piece of scribe over here under the counter. We'll set that counter tomorrow. Bring it in, but all in all, there it is. We're really coming along now. Everything's situated. Beautiful the way that turned out. And then outside of here, this is where the makeup area is. So we got cabinet here, and that top we made, the smaller one's going to be sitting right in here. And then there's a tower that goes on that guy. There's also a tower that comes in right over here. So next couple of days, it'll all be coming together. You'll see everything. Hey, so check this out. Billy noticed this. It's actually really cool. We could have never timed this out. But if you look at this foot, look to the point of the tile, then this one is the same. Puts that grout joint not only right underneath of it, but in the middle. And look, this one's in the middle. Picket, same picket. Same distance. Same distance. You got here is the same there. That never could have been timed out like that again, but that's really cool that it worked out like that. So this is it, you guys. We got the beaded towel board coming in. A lot of bells and whistles, grab bars, all sorts of goodies. This is that little bit of rock we got to finish up over by the niche up there. Wire up our lights, but all in all, everything's good, it's situated. Everything's really coming together. And then we got a couple more tricks up our sleeve for the finish that we haven't tuned y'all into yet, shown you yet. So we'll see y'all real soon back on the next one. Tomorrow, counters are going in.